Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at affiliate marketing networks. Now, if you guys are looking for where do I get started, does affiliate marketing make sense for me to get started as a new person? If you have a full-time job, whatever it is as a side hustle, well, I'm glad you found this video because I'm going to really openly and very transparently share with you some of my thoughts, perspectives, but also go on to share with you which affiliate networks, in my opinion, depending on what you want to get started with, makes the most sense for you. Guys, welcome to the channel. Really, I'm super excited to be sharing this information with you. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop onto my computer, share my screen. I have a little bit of a presentation prepared, but if you at any point of time have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. I post on this channel 3 times a week because I want to bring you the best information, or rather document my journey and share it with you on this channel. So I would appreciate it a lot if you do subscribe, and I will see you guys in a second. All right, guys, here I am on my laptop and I am already in the presentation mode. The reason why I want to start to do it this way is because I believe that we're going to get into a topic that has a lot of controversy, in my opinion, in this space. Because when you go to start a business or you want to start earning an income on your own without a job, not the typical way that everybody's doing it, right? You find these make money online videos out there, and I have been also, making a lot of awareness in the marketplace right now, because sometimes I guess that this has been a lot of this is why the let me put it this way. This is why the industry has such a bad name for itself, because people are over promising and saying how easy it is to get started online and stuff like that. So I want to give you a realistic method. It is definitely not the early 2000s where this method was a new method to get started with, earning a side hustle, earning a side income, and also getting into an actual business oriented mindset. It is not for everybody. I'm going to say these things out in the open because I think this education is needed personally for me to bring it for free and talk about my experience as well. Guys, when I got started with affiliate marketing, it was in the early 2010, 2011. It was a mess. The marketplace was a mess. There was a lot of hype out there, and I did not make a single commission for 6 years of trying and trying and trying and failing, because obviously it didn't make sense for me to get started. I was just not prepared. I was eager as a young person. I was eager to go ahead and start doing it. But at the same time, I didn't have the fundamentals. I didn't have the pillars set up in the right manner. And this caused a lot of delay. But the thing that I did for myself, and not everybody's like me, right? So that's why I'm saying this, it might not be for everybody. I persisted. I was, diligent with myself. You can hear my dog in the background, guys, but I'm going to continue making videos. So I was persistent with myself. I was also patient with myself because I knew everything is not going to happen overnight. I also need to put in the work to gather the data in order for me to make sure that I am making positive progresses towards the goals that I have. And then slowly over time and my life experiences as well, the vision and the purpose changed for me. So I just want to make sure that you understand that it took me 6 years before I actually made a single commission online. So understand that this is not for everybody. Okay, enough of my rant. Let's get back into affiliate networks itself. Okay, so let's get started talking about affiliate networks. As I mentioned, let me go into this presentation I prepared. It's basically just to give you guys an idea of really what it takes to be an affiliate marketer. Okay, so guys, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I post 3 times a week in case you guys don't know. And on a Friday, I usually talk about the strategies, affiliate marketing in general. It's a lot of tips that help us pave the way for my dreams to come true, help me pave my way forward. So I'm sharing with you guys as I learn on this channel as well. Okay, so I'm not gonna be perfect. It is what it is, but at least I'm documenting and sharing my journey along the way. So affiliate marketing, first and foremost, guys, there are certain things that you need to know with affiliate marketing. When we're doing affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing? It is basically sharing a product or service or offer of somebody else's, not your own, to somebody. So imagine yourself going to a movie, or imagine yourself going to, yeah, you went for a movie, and then after that you go to a coffee place or you go out with some friends and stuff like that, and you're talking to those people, and then you recommend going for that movie. Now, What an affiliate does is doing the same exact thing that you're already doing, but you're getting a commission on the back end from that product or service. Remember, when you're telling the person, look, I like this movie, it was a good movie and you can go for it, you're sending that person to the cinema. You're sending that person to another person's business itself. Now you're just getting a small percentage or a cut from it. So it varies from 1, 2, 3% commissions to all the way, if your digital products, even 80 to 100% commissions, depending on what kind of products on the front end, on the back end, and stuff like that. Okay, so it is definitely a world of its own, but it's something that I just wanted to share with you. Okay, first and foremost. So when doing this, how do you have to get to know and build that relationship with your friends, right? Before you actually share these products or services. So how do you advertise yourself after you become an affiliate marketer to people who are really interested in that product, service, or offer that you are sharing, right? So where and how do you advertise? This is something that you need to know before you even dive into it, before you even step your toes into the water and understand that affiliate marketing is possible. Where and how do you advertise your product? So advertising is a key skill set that you need to learn, whether it's free advertising, whether it's paid advertising, however you want to do it, whether it's local advertising, you're still advertising. Okay, so make sure that this is a clear concept in your head. The second is, do you lead with, when you're doing the advertising, do you lead with an evergreen way to build your email list? Do you lead with an evergreen way to build your product, your brand, your service, and everything else? Yes or no? For example, I'm just going to give you my example as an idea. Okay, so I focus on skills. I focus on teaching and helping and educating people with skill sets. And the fundamental skill sets is advertising and copywriting. These are the two things that I'm going to be talking about also right now, right? And I do have a course in the description of this video, guys, which is a very simple evergreen way. It doesn't change. There's no FOMO. FOMO basically is fear of missing out. So there's no urgency. There's no, you know, deadline for it, but you're learning the skill sets for affiliate marketing or for marketing in general, right? That is an evergreen offer that I have, and it's a way that I introduce my audience to what affiliate marketing is, and then I can go on the back end and share with them a tool that I use or other offers that I use. So I'm leading with an evergreen method, which is skills, never changes, right? Skills. And then on the back end, I have other offers and services that I can provide depending on their needs. I'm only going to share with them. I'm not going to share with you something that you don't need. If you need it, and if you're doing affiliate marketing, you need it, then I'm going to share it. It's still your decision, and that's the most we can do. This is not a get rich quick. You're not going to, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not the easiest thing in the world, guys, but it is easier than many other things out there. So think about it. The way I like to look at it is, I think about it as a career. I think about it as a place that I'm building a long-term sustainable business for myself. So when I got started with my job, for example, and you can ask yourself the same question, you start from the ground up, right? You learn what is going on in the overall marketplace, and then slowly you are going to management positions and giving yourself those promotions, right? So that's what we're doing with our own business and with affiliate marketing as well. That's how I look at it. So if I am generating, it's not based on the money itself. I've learned these skill sets. Now I can leverage these skill sets and add another service. And now my role is going from a service level to now a more managerial level to now a more CEO level, and so on and so forth, right? So that's the concept of evolution for myself, and that's how I look at it. Why do I look at it this way? Because finally, after so much time, I understood my why, my purpose, the reason for me being affiliated with all these products and services, and why am I doing this? If I was just doing it for the money, then it doesn't make sense. It's not going to last. It's actually going to be a waste of your time. But if you focus on your why, let me take the example of somebody who's being affiliated with a dog product. If you're into building sustainable tips for dogs, and you have a brand, let's say on TikTok or social media, that you're sharing and stuff like that, now your why is you want to be able to fund a charity for dogs. So that is your goal. That is your driven purpose. That is everything. And now you're helping people along the way with that dog product. But your why is clear. Your purpose is clear. For me, with affiliate marketing, is I want to impart the skill sets. Then what you do with those skill sets is really up to you. But I want to impart that knowledge that I am learning along the way, the tools that I'm learning along the way. And I'm sure it'll evolve to different shapes and forms in the whole purpose. But my why is for me to have more time freedom. I don't want to be, an extremely a wealthy person, but I want to be able that to let my wealth, how can I put this in the right way? Let my wealth, let the money that I'm making allow me for more time freedom and just to live the best life that I have. Honestly, this is how I feel. Okay. So this is how affiliate marketing has been helping me, but this can be applicable to any niche. So know your why, know your purpose, know the reason why you're doing it. What are the pillars to affiliate marketing? As I said, guys, advertising is one of the pillars. It is the fuel. It is something that you need to consistently have. Again, whether it's free advertising, using social media strategies, organic strategies, whether it is, going to networking events. Those are all ways that you advertise your business out there. Okay. So advertising is a huge part of affiliate marketing in general, and copywriting is part of the conversions. Both these elements are important because you're driving people and they need to convert those people, right? So the driving and the conversions are super important. The driving of traffic for advertising is the fuel, and the conversion side is the copywriting, is the social proof. The networks that we have, the affiliate networks that we have, the purpose that they serve is operational. Remember this always, okay? Don't get focused on Clickbank. Don't get focused on WarriorPlus. Don't get focused on what it is operations. If you're using tools and networks, they are focused on helping you with the operational side of your affiliate marketing journey. That's it. I hope I'm not confusing you guys, but I wanted to make sure that you are clear and you understand these concepts. Let's get into affiliate networks. Based on your why, you can understand which affiliate networks are best for you. For example, if you're going into, in my opinion, an underground, not really underground affiliate marketing network is Clickbank itself, because you have some really high quality products depending on which offers, and a lot of people go and use the e-business and e-marketing space, but Clickbank has so much more. Clickbank has so much more with pets, with nutrition stuff, with woodcraft, and one of the biggest projects I think on Clickbank is related to survival and woodcraft. So there are niches that you can discover and use that are really going to be beneficial for you. It's really up to you whether you want to align yourself with those offers or not. Okay, so it's really up to you. Second is WarriorPlus. It's my primary affiliate network that I use at the moment. But like I said, I would love to get into Clickbank and have that as my main one. And even Digistore, because Digistore is in Europe and I'm in Europe, guys. So Digistore just makes more sense for me to also use, and everything else. They also have physical products, not too many, some health products, if I'm not mistaken. The events, they also host events products. So Digistore is a very interesting business model. It's different from Clickbank. It's different from Warrior Plus. Then you have what is cost per acquisition or CPA networks. These are larger networks, and to be honest, I don't particularly like them that much. These are all related to, let's say, signing up for a service and just putting your email in there. The CPA network will pay you $1 or $2. Okay, I personally do not like this strategy, just me personally, but it is a network that exists. Another thing that a lot of people do not talk to you about, they'll say Amazon affiliates, Amazon associates, and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, guys, look at it. Amazon has an affiliate program, and Amazon is starting to now become, or is already for years, an affiliate network in itself for physical products, books, multiple kinds of products that are there, digital and physical, using Amazon Associates. The problem with Amazon Associates is just the amount that you're getting a commission for. That is less than most of the other ones are out there. But at the end of the day, they do have an affiliate service. So if you start to share your Amazon, if you become a part of Amazon Associates and start to share your Amazon Associate link out there in your social media, what are you doing? Or on your email list, at the end of the day, you're able to still earn from Amazon Associates as well. So it's becoming a network place, in my opinion. That's how I look at it. Other than that, if you don't find a network, that's okay. Because as I said, as you choose a niche, as you choose your specialty on what you want to do and the evergreen products, and on the back end, if you want to talk about faith, if you want to talk about money, if you want to talk about your relationships, if you want to talk about whatever it is, and you want to share that with your hobbies and services with other people, why not be affiliated with a product that can now give you a little bit of a commission or a kickback on that side, right? That's personally how I look at it. And if you don't find a network, it's okay, because all you need to do is literally Google out there affiliate program for travel, affiliate program for whatever, and you'll see the different options that are available out there. Obviously, I would say use and share something that you actually use. That's personally how I function. I do not share any products that I don't use. As I gave the example of the cinema before, like going for a movie. I go for a movie, I've spent money on the movie, I've done everything else, and now I'm going and talking about it over a coffee with some friends, and I'm recommending that product or service. So you have to know your audience. You have to be able to speak with authority, and the way you get authority is if you're using that product or service itself, right? So that's how you can recommend it the best to other people. So in a nutshell, these are what affiliate networks are. I'm just going to go back a second. Sorry, I'm going to keep it here and just say that, to be honest, if I was just getting started, depending on the niche, I would rather choose Clickbank or Digisto personally. But because I am in the wealth niche and I'm focusing on education with affiliate marketing and so on and so forth, I personally went with WarriorPlus. I'm very satisfied with WarriorPlus, but I know that I will move on to Clickbank and I will move on to Digistore because the fundamental assets of these pillars right here don't change. They stay the same. So as I said, this is just a little bit of a nutshell, a training of what affiliate networks are, whether you like them or not. It's really up to you to get started with them. I have no links and affiliate links out here. All the resources that I personally use to build my funnels and everything else, guys, is in the description of this video. But I want to bring value on this channel. I want to bring value with the content that I'm sharing. So this is just going to be the way I'm moving forward. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the description of this, in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys on Monday for another video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I hope you enjoyed this and thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.